Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset network settings on your Windows 11. So if you have a trouble with Windows 11, like no internet connection, but you are already connected to a nearby Wi-Fi, but you can't use internet, or you have a problem with the Wi-Fi adapter, or after updated your Windows, your Wi-Fi will not show up. So you can try to reset network settings. You can reconsider to reset your network. First thing to do, you can go to the settings. You can click start, then settings. Here you can jump into the network and internet and click advanced network settings, view all network adapters and network reset. Here we go. The fourth options, network reset, reset all network adapters to factory settings. Now you can click on reset now. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall all other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Now after you reset, your PC will be restarted and network will reset. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So text button below. See you in the next video.